Welcome back to Cleta Versal. This is episode 6 and I'm your host Cleta Lorenko. Today we'll be exploring a crucial concept in governance that keeps democracies functioning smoothly, the separate of powers. Let us dive in. So, what is the separation of power? In simple terms, it means government power is divided into three branches: the legislature, the executive, and judiciary. Each branch has specific role and operates independently. To make sure no one branch becomes too powerful, let's start with legislature. This branch is responsible for making laws. In many countries like India or US, this would be a parliament or congress. They write and pass laws that guide how society operates. Thus, we have executive branch that enforce the law. In India, for example, this includes the president, the prime minister, and local governors. They make sure that the laws passed by the legislature are implemented and the government functions properly. Finally, that's the judiciary. This branch interprets the law, court, and judges determine how laws apply specific cases and ensures that justice is served. They also protect citizen rights by making sure law comply with the constitution. And now here's important part: check and balances. While each branch operates independently, they also have powers that limit action of other branches. This ensures that no branch becomes too powerful. For instance, a law passed by a legislature can be vetoed by the executive, or the judiciary can declare a law unconstitutional if it violates individual right. The system of dividing power dates back thinkers to like Montesquieu, who worked the spirits of law, influenced how modern democracies were structured. His ideas were simple: the best way to prevent the abuse of power is to divide it. But what does this matter to us today? The separation of powers ensures that democracy remains fair and just. It just holds each branch of government accountable, protecting our freedom and preventing the rise of authoritarian rule. And that's for today's episode of Cleta Versa. I hope you enjoyed learning about separation of powers and why it's so important. If you have any question or want to learn more, feel free to reach out in LinkedIn, and don't forget to subscribe to Cleta Versal for more legal insight, history, and beyond. This is Cleta Lorenko signing off. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious. Thank you.